Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Suj, and today I'm here at BH Cosmetics to talk to you guys about their 3 different makeup sponges. All the sponges are latex-free, odor-free, and hypoallergenic. This is the perfecting sponge. It doubles in size when wet, which allows to cover larger areas of the face like the chin, cheeks, and forehead. This sponge is best used for creams and liquids, especially focusing on foundation, as it provides a blended and seamless finish. The sponge itself has the perfect characteristic of not being too dense or too fluffy. Its material is just right. Use the perfecting sponge to apply the naturally flawless foundation for a perfect airbrush finish. This is the precision sponge. This too doubles in size when wet. This sponge is ideal for reaching those precise and hidden areas like under the eyes, around the nose, and pinpoint imperfections. It's also perfect for baking, sculpting, and setting the under eye area. This is the beauty sponge. This sponge as well doubles in size but is rather more dense than the black perfecting sponge, which will create a lighter foundation coverage. Since the sponge has a denser feel to it, it will apply product a bit more sheer versus a softer sponge like the perfecting sponge. This sponge is also intended to be used on larger areas of the face like the chin, cheeks, and forehead. So there you have it, BH's 3 different makeup sponges covering you on all glam bases.